Okay, hi, it's Chuck, and like I said, we're here at the World Furniture Mart, and we happen to be in Building C, way up high on the 15th floor. We're here with Gotcha Covered, and we're here with the National Sales Manager, Dennis Bramwell, for Gotcha Covered, and he's going to be showing us a little bit about what you need to know when you buy sheets. With that said, I'll turn it over to Dennis.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, what we're going to first talk about is basically the fit of sheets. A lot of people go out and buy sheets in the marketplace and don't realize they have a different profile mattress for different profiles of sheets. And the sheets can actually come in and strangle the bed and not allow the mattress to perform for what your investment was there. You go to a showroom, you try the mattress, you love it, you go home, you find out maybe it doesn't feel the same, and you find out the sheets are strangling. So we got you covered. Everything we do is geared to fit whatever shape of mattress you have and allow the mattress to perform. Now we achieve that through the design, the tailoring, and the fit. And so that way when it fits your bed, there's no way you're going to wake up in the middle of the night disturbed because you're tangled on the top sheet or the bottom sheet falls off. Let me show you how that works. Our bottom sheet, which you can see here, is a mattress tucked in. Our bottom sheet is extra big and long, and will drop almost to the floor, even though it actually is folded over your comforter or bedspread up on top. The reason for that is to be able to give you plenty of tuck so that when you are under in your bed, and maybe you have a cover hog that grabs the cover and pulls too much, or you just end up getting twisted around and you should be able to pull your sheet up and hit the headboard of the wall and not have it come untucked. So that's one great feature we have in every aspect of our sheet line, in every color, every size, every thread count. Now another feature that we have that's very unique is that how we are tailored. Our corners have French seams. Those females looking at this will really appreciate it. It's like the inside of a high-end skirt. So basically it's sewn together, folded over, and sewn again. Happens to be the first give or wear point in most sets of sheets. So we not only have that built in there, but the way that this was cut and tailored to fit the mattress, it comes in, tucks in, and there's no way you can pull this sheet off if you grab it and you pull on it. It will not come off the bed. So having this secure bottom, the extra cut top assures you of a good night's sleep without waking up tangled in your sheets. Basically, we've got you covered all night long.